In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Zoho Books invoices automatically via WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that listens for new invoices in Zoho Books and sends a WhatsApp message to your customer. No more manual copying, pasting, or follow-ups. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along in one go. First, open your Pabbly account. Head to Accounts, then Apps, and log in if you're not already. This is the central place that lists all Pabbly products tied to your account, so it's the quickest way to get to the automation tool we need. From the available apps, click Pabbly Connect. This is the hub that links your apps together using triggers and actions. On the next screen, click Access Now to enter the Pabbly Connect dashboard. You'll land in the workspace where all your workflows are created and managed. Click Create Workflow. Think of a workflow as one app telling another what to do. A trigger happens in Zoho Books, and WhatsApp sends a message in response. Type a clear workflow name, for example, Zoho Books to WhatsApp Invoice Alerts. Naming it well makes it easy to search and maintain later, especially when you build more automations. Click Create to open the editor, where you'll see the trigger on the left and the action on the right. This layout helps you visualize the flow from start to finish. In the Trigger App search, look for Zoho Books. Selecting the right app tells Pabbly exactly what to listen to. If you're asked to connect your account, just follow the on-screen instructions. This securely authorizes access so the workflow can read invoice details. Next, choose the invoice event from the menu. Pick the option that represents when you want the workflow to run, such as when a new invoice is created. This keeps the automation precise and avoids firing on unrelated activity. For the action, choose the application WhatsApp. Select the WhatsApp service you use and prepare the message your customers will receive. In the message fields, map the data coming from Zoho Books' customer name, invoice number, amount, due date, and the invoice link so each message is personalized and accurate. Keep the text short and clear, and if your WhatsApp provider uses templates, choose the right template and fill its variables with your mapped invoice fields for best deliverability. That's the setup. Once saved, every time your selected invoice event occurs in Zoho Books, a WhatsApp message will be sent automatically, helping you speed up payments and keep clients informed without any manual steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new hands-off invoice notifications.